BYOD stands for Bring Your Own Device. It allows you to use a smartphone, tablet, or other compatible device that you already own on the AT&T network instead of purchasing a new one from them. This video will guide you through the process of activating your device on AT&T's network. Before you start, make sure your device meets AT&T's requirements. Your device must be unlocked, meaning not tied to another carrier. Your device must be compatible with AT&T's network frequencies. For 4G LTE, it needs bands 2, 4, 12, and 66. For 5G, it needs bands N2, N5, N7, N12, and N66. The device must not be blacklisted, meaning it hasn't been reported as lost or stolen. You'll need your device's IMEI, or International Mobile Equipment Identity, to check compatibility on AT&T's website. The first step in checking device compatibility is to visit AT&T's official website. Go to 8.com and look for the BYOD or device compatibility section. Next, you'll need your device's IMEI number. This is a unique identifier for your phone. You can find it by dialing *06 on your phone, checking in settings under About Phone, or looking at the sticker on your device or SIM tray. Once on the website, locate the device compatibility tool. Enter your IMEI number in the provided field. The tool will automatically check against AT&T's database to verify if your device supports the required frequencies and bands. The tool will display the results immediately. If compatible, you'll see a green check mark and can proceed with activation. If not compatible, the tool will indicate why and suggest alternative options or devices. Next, select an AT&T plan that fits your needs. AT&T offers various plans, including unlimited and prepaid options. As of 2026, plans start at $55 per month for unlimited data. Consider your data usage and budget when choosing a plan. AT&T provides two main plan types for BYOD devices. Unlimited plans offer all data included, perfect for heavy users. Prepaid plans let you pay as you go, giving more flexibility. When choosing a plan, consider your data usage patterns, monthly budget, and any additional fees for international roaming or hotspot sharing. Select a plan that matches your lifestyle and needs. Unlimited plans start at $55 per month, while prepaid options offer different data allowances at various price points. AT&T primarily uses eSIM for new BYOD activations. If your device supports eSIM, you can activate it digitally through the AT&T mobile app or website. Some older devices may require a physical SIM card, which you can purchase from AT&T. For eSIM activation, use the AT&T app to complete the process seamlessly. Begin the digital activation process by downloading the AT&T mobile app from your device's app store or visiting the AT&T website on your computer or mobile browser. Once you have the app or are on the website, create a new AT&T account if you're a new customer, or log in to your existing account using your username and password. After logging in, follow the on-screen instructions to activate your device using eSIM. The system will guide you through selecting BYOD activation and eSIM setup. During the process, you'll need to enter your device's IMEI number and your billing information, including payment method and address. The IMEI can be found in settings or by dialing *06. The entire activation process typically takes between 5 to 15 minutes, depending on your connection and any verification steps required. If you encounter problems during BYOD activation, there are several common issues to check. First, ensure your device's IMEI number is entered correctly. Double-check the number you input during activation. Second, verify that your device is fully unlocked and not tied to another carrier. Third, confirm the device hasn't been reported as lost or stolen, as this will block activation. Finally, if these don't resolve the issue, contact AT&T's customer support team. They provide 24/7 assistance through their app, website, or by phone. Now that your BYOD device is activated on AT&T, it's crucial to keep it secure. Personal devices aren't covered by AT&T warranties, so protecting your device is entirely up to you. Here are essential security tips to safeguard your device and data. First, protect your device with a strong password or biometric authentication, like fingerprint or face recognition. Avoid simple passwords and use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. This is your first line of defense against unauthorized access. Second, enable two-factor authentication on your AT&T account. This requires a second form of verification, such as a code from an authenticator app or a text message, in addition to your password. It significantly reduces the risk of account compromise. Third, stay vigilant against phishing scams and malware. Cybercriminals may send fake emails pretending to be AT&T, asking for your information. Always verify the sender and avoid clicking links in unsolicited messages. Use antivirus software to scan for malware. Fourth, keep your device's software up to date. Updates often include security patches that protect against known vulnerabilities. Enable automatic updates to ensure your device stays secure without manual intervention. Finally, remember that AT&T does not provide warranty support for personal devices used in BYOD. You're fully responsible for securing and maintaining your own device. By following these tips, you can enjoy a safe and reliable experience on the AT&T network.